So here I am today, nice late winter coming up on spring day, and we're going to take a peek at this. This is my Tesla Model 3. We're going to put on some new hubcaps today. Now I haven't given this guy a bath for a while, so the rest of the car is kind of dirty, but you know, it is what it is. So we're going to first actually get into the box at these new MUSKEEN hubcaps for the 18-inch wheels. Now I have the Aero rims. I always actually run with the actual hubcaps on, just because it does give you a little bit of extra range. But I do like the Ubertine. I love the look of the other wheels. So, and I know if I take these off, they look, in my opinion, probably better. But I like having that extra range. So let's see what we can get with a look with these new wheel covers from MUSKEEN. Okay, so we have the box here, which I have not opened yet. And looks like they're all four are individually wrapped inside the box. So let's get one of these out. All right. So and inside that is some bubble wrap. And inside the bubble wrap is the actual wheel itself. That is pretty cool looking. Okay, so that's what they're going to look like once they're on. I'm looking forward to that. So that's what they look like here out of the box. I'm going to get the other three out of the box and then we'll get ready to put them on. Okay, so I have all four of them out and ready. Now I'm going to keep these bags and boxes actually, because I'm going to actually put the ones off my current vehicle in here. Probably might wash them before I actually put them away, because I don't want the grime kind of grinding away at it. But yeah, so that, at least I have that to, and of course the box itself. Okay, so I'm at the front wheel here. Now it won't really matter because they're all about the same. I have owned my Tesla for almost exactly a year now. I think we're just a week shy of it. And I've only taken one of these off before, and that was just to see what it looked like underneath and to see how it came off. Otherwise, I've had my tires rotated, but I didn't do it. So you just kind of grab on and you kind of pop off. I remember doing this, and the thing that I've found is they like to snap back on real fast. So you kind of, if you let it go, we'll see if I can get it. Yeah, they just love to hold on. That center one, I think, grabs on more than anything else. So you really got to get a couple of them done and then pull out from the center. But there we are. And I put the bubble wrap over here to set that one down on. And then we do have to pay attention to the cutout for the valve stem. Otherwise, there we go. Now, before I continue, let's go over some key differences. Right, obviously this is more coverage of the wheel. We do have the Tesla logo in the middle, which I put these orange stickers on. I put orange valve caps on too, but that's just to match my orange accents. The current, you know, is the Aero wheel cap is flush with the outside of the aluminum, but you can see the actual aluminum rim, and then the Aero cap starts there. Versus with the actual new MUSKEEN cap, it actually goes all the way past the aluminum. So here's where I'm going to say a couple things real quick, good and bad. First, you can tell this is complete coverage, so you're not going to even see the color from the actual wheel at all. So if you are a person that has maybe some scuffed up wheels from hitting curbs and stuff, which I did have a couple on the back, I touched them up with paint. You can't really see them unless you're really paying attention. This will cover it 100%. You can see it doesn't allow you to see it at all. It's 100% coverage. Downside, if you hit a curb with these are sticking out past the aluminum wheel. These are going to just get busted up. So you can see it from a couple different perspectives, but that's what it is. These could absolutely get damaged because you can see they're outside the tire itself. So I'm gonna continue, and I'm missing the little orange Tesla logo, but actually, I mean, I could probably do something about that, but I probably won't. That said, like I said, I'm gonna keep going, get the rest of these on quick. So these products are obviously just take the old off, put the new on. They fit exactly like the existing covers. Obviously they look completely different. You know, I know that why they can't put the Tesla symbol in the middle, but it is something I'm gonna miss. I'll be honest about it. More than anything because I have the accent pieces that I put all over so that orange pops. However, that said, I do like the look of the design. You know, that Uber teen type look. I really do like it. I do like the fact that it is covering the wheel because the wheel's not matte black like these are. So having that differentiation in color definitely helps, or does, you know, it helps that it doesn't have that. That said, the only worrisome thing is we are sticking out a little bit further past. So yeah, if you do hit a curb, you are going to damage the hubcap. Whereas if you had the Aero Hubcaps that came with your car, the benefit to those is that, well, maybe not a benefit. If you do damage something, it's most likely going to be the rim, not the hubcap. So I guess one way or the other. But yeah, if you damage these, these are replaceable. Obviously, you can buy them. You can buy them, I believe, in singles rather than the whole set. And I'll put links down at the top of the description to where I got these. I got them on Amazon. They're the MUSKEEN brand, and I kind of like the look, you know. And that's the point of it, right? To make your vehicle stand out, that makes it look different. One of the things that when I put the rear taillights in my car, that really kind of set it off, especially at night. I love that. I love having that differentiation between yours and the Tesla next door, because let's face it, there's not a whole lot of variations in color that they offer. So making your Tesla different, you could wrap it. I don't plan on wrapping it, although I do like the look of the wrap. This is a cheaper way to make your vehicle stand out a little bit different. So there we are. That is the 18-inch hubcap matte black wheel from MUSKEEN. That's how it installs. That's what it looks like. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We'll catch you back here on GeekSmart for another install, probably on this bad boy. See you soon.